Xyza and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video is ang gagawin natin ay peppermint. Mali. Ang gagawin natin ay banana peppermint shake slime. Yun. Banana peppermint shake slime. Masyado kasi maba kaya medyo na ako. Pero ano mas bagay sa akin? May ganito? O wala? But that doesn't matter anymore. So, kailangan natin ay bowl and spoon. Or should I say, something to mix in and something to mix with. Glue. I'm going to use 2 glues. Slime activator. Ito food color na color aqua green and yellow. Green and gold glitters and our straw. Because it is a shake, so yeah. Let's just set this aside so we can have the concentration. Now let's just put on our glue to our bowl. That's enough. Sorry, kinagat ko kasi kanina. Sorry, kinagat ko yung lid kasi hindi ko mabuksan. So, wag mo natin siyang kulayan. Ayan. Now, let's activate our slime. Let's just put on a little of activator para hindi nyo masyadong ma-overactivate yung slime niya because pag na-overactivate nyo ang inyong slime ay hindi nyo, it'll be creepy and it won't be so fun to play with. So yan, let's now mix our slime. Of activator because it is still sticky. When your slime is sticky, just add more activator so it'll form. Because when your slime is sticky, it is less activated. Now let's split our slime into 2 and color this one yellow. And this one is aqua green. So now let's knead it with our hand until the color is already distributed into the slime. Actually, this content started when I am baking my own slime. Pero hindi ko siya bina-vlog, hindi ko siya bina-video. I am making my own slime and pagkakunduan ko na i-halo ito dun sa ating unicorn slime which turned on color green. Nakita ko yung nung sinare ko ang ganda kaya yun ko naisipan itong banana peppermint milk, banana peppermint shake slime. So now let's roll it. Ihanda muna natin ang ating lalagyan. Ayan, now let's swirl. Oh God, it's beautiful. Oops. I like the way it swirls. Let's just fix it later. Nalagay ko na kasi siya. Ayan, I like the way it swirls. You can see the color of the banana and the peppermint, and some of it is color green because nasama na. So now let's decorate it with green and gold glitter because I really like sparkly slime. And now let's put on this gold glitter. Oh my god, look at it guys, it is so pretty, so sparkly. Now there's just one more thing that is left, which is the straw. So what are we waiting for? Let's add in the straw. So beautiful guys, it's so sparkly and I like it so much. So now I will just post the video because I'm going to take a picture of this banana peppermint shake slime. So be right back guys. Ayan guys, so sorry ko naputol yung video because I just have to take care of something, which is napul na kasi yung storage ng phone ko, kaya kailangan ko lang magbura ng mga apps. So ayan, I will leave this video for some ASMR and I'll make it so quick kasi baka mapula naman yung storage ko and I just have to take care of something. Okay? So ayan. bye guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something and if you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. See you on my next slime journey. Bye.